Apple cider vinegar has been used as a natural remedy for centuries, and its popularity has only increased in recent years. This vinegar is made from fermented apple juice and has a variety of health benefits, from aiding digestion to improving skin health. In this video, we'll explore some of the benefits and uses of apple cider vinegar, as well as some of the potential side effects and risks. Benefits of apple cider vinegar. Aids digestion. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which has been shown to improve digestion by slowing down the breakdown of carbohydrates. This helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help with weight loss. Lowers blood sugar. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can help to lower blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes. It does this by improving insulin sensitivity, which allows the body to better regulate blood sugar levels. Improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. It also contains antioxidants, which can help to protect the heart from damage. Boosts immune system. Apple cider vinegar contains vitamins and minerals that can help to boost the immune system, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. This can help to prevent infections and illnesses. Improves skin health. Apple cider vinegar can be used topically to improve skin health. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help to treat acne and other skin conditions. It can also help to balance the skin's pH levels, which can improve the overall appearance and texture of the skin. Uses of apple cider vinegar. Salad dressing. Apple cider vinegar makes a great addition to salad dressings. It adds a tangy flavor and can help to enhance the nutritional value of the salad. Cooking. Apple cider vinegar can be used in cooking to add flavor and acidity to dishes. It can be used in marinades, sauces, and soups. Cleaning. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a natural cleaner around the house. It can be used to clean surfaces, floors, and windows. Hair care. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a natural hair conditioner. It can help to restore the pH balance of the scalp and hair, which can improve the overall health and appearance of the hair. Side effects and risks. While apple cider vinegar has many benefits, there are also some potential side effects and risks to be aware of. These include tooth decay. Apple cider vinegar is acidic and can erode tooth enamel if consumed in large amounts. It's important to rinse your mouth with water after consuming apple cider vinegar, and to avoid brushing your teeth immediately afterwards. Digestive issues. Consuming too much apple cider vinegar can cause digestive issues, including nausea and diarrhea. It's important to start with a small amount and gradually increase the amount over time. Drug interactions. Apple cider vinegar can interact with certain medications, including insulin and diuretics. It's important to talk to your doctor before using apple cider vinegar if you're taking any medications. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy with many potential health benefits. It can aid digestion, lower blood sugar, improve heart health, boost the immune system, and improve skin health. It can be used in a variety of ways, from salad dressings to cleaning solutions. However, it's important to be aware of the potential side effects and risks, and to use apple cider vinegar in moderation.